Weight. Having an average weight is so important to have a better personality and good health. But how it is possible to have an average weight? In this video, we are going to see how to reduce your weight, what type of food could be consumed, and what type of exercise should be done to reduce your weight to 3 or 4 kg in a week. Practice this exercise regularly to have a better result. So many people could told you fatty boy, fatty guy, but don't worry about those things because after watching this video, you can reduce your weight and subscribe to my channel so that it will be motivation us to make some more weight loss or weight reducing videos. Don't forget to share this video so that it will be helpful for others. Like this video and support us by subscribing. Let's get started into the video. The first exercise we are going to see is forward lunges. This exercise helps us to increase muscle mass to your legs, which could be convert your fat into muscles and shaping your body and reducing your fat completely. And this exercise should be practiced regularly so that you can easily reduce your weight. And the second exercise we are going to see is Burpee. This exercise helps us to improve our cholesterol levels and helps to burn belly fat and help us to even blood circulation in our body, so that do this exercise also to have a better result in your weight loss. The third exercise we are going to see is squats. The squats help us to reduce your calories and strengthen your muscle of your lower body, and these three exercises are most beneficial for weight reducing or even weight loss. Now let me see what should be in your diet plan. The first one is veggie soup, which is helpful, burns calories, and the second one is egg. It is also main reason to reduce your weight. So follow these exercises and regularly consume this egg and veggie soup to reduce your weight. And don't forget to subscribe our channel and like this video so that it will be motivation us to make some more weight loss videos. Until then, bye from Enjaami Gameplay.